Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder in regards to Bitcoin, it is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So as of right now, the big movement continues. I mean, to think that not that long ago, the price was down there at about 9,100, and now all of a sudden, as I talk, up over 1,000 points from there. So that's kind of the big thing that needs to continue to be measured going forward. And the first question, in terms of quote unquote measuring, the health of that move. So let's just use the 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours after I, upload it. The question you need to ask yourself is, question number one, where's the price at relative to that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 50-period moving average. So let's just call that 9,800 to give some sort of number. So question number one, if you're watching this 10, 15 hours from now, where's the price at relative to 9,800? As long as you are answering the question that the price is up above 9,800, then this chart basically is as healthy as it can get. Now, I realize that, well, Clay, it'd be a lot healthier if it, kept on moving up to 10,800, and that's fine. But when I'm talking about health, I'm, stating it more so from the consolidation type perspective, meaning no price can go straight up. Sideways price movement happens. Slight pullbacks need to happen. That's all part of it. So, I mean, point being, even if the price, dropped down here, so you're watching, it's like, you're saying, well, it's at 9,900 right now, which is still up above, the purple line there. Well, that's fine, because think about what that implies. That implies that if the price went like that and then began to work its way back upwards, well, then when you look at all these from, kind of where the lows are at, that would imply that you had a set of lows there, you had some lows there, you had these lows down there, and then you envision those as stair steps. And well, there you go. You still have stair steps making overall progress in the upwards direction. So again, it's if the price pulls back, when you're watching this video compared to, where it is right now, again, doesn't mean anything's wrong or anything like that. The one, red flag area would be if somehow you're answering the question, 10, 15 hours from now, that the price is down below 9,600, which is that green line there. Now, again, does that imply that the entire chart is destroyed? I'm not saying that, but, I think I feel pretty safe that I'm speaking for a lot of people. If the price were to drop below 9,600 and separate to the downside, at that point, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart. And I'm pretty sure nobody wants to see the price going back to where it was, especially in that previous range. So that is why 9,600 is more of a key level. But as long as you're answering the question, that the price up above those areas of support, that's what you want. As far as areas of resistance, next key overall one is going to be up there at that pink line, which on my chart denotes the 200-period moving average. And as of right now, that's right up around 10,700. So keep an eye on that going forward too. But all in all, the nice bounce from 9,100 continues. So let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.